Hi everyone, thank you for stopping by my channel. Thank you for joining us for today's strength building flow. This is a perfect practice when you are short on time and you are in need to reset your day. It's an overall strength building practice for all levels. So let's begin in a child's pose. So go ahead and sit back on your heels. And then come forward, bringing your forehead down. You can open up the knees as wide as your mat. Bend the elbows, taking pressure out of the head, the neck, the shoulders. And take a deep breath in, filling up the lungs, the back of the body. Let the exhale come out of your mouth right into the earth, letting go of all that has happened today so far, maybe this week. And allow yourself to get really grounded here with yourself, connecting to your breath. Relax the jaw and invite in a nice deep inhale through the nose, sliding the tailbone down towards your heels, feeling a nice length in the spine, and then exhale right into the earth. And then begin to reach your arms forward, coming onto the finger pads of your hands, so spider fingers. And really reach long. And then begin to walk your spider finger hands over to the right. So a nice lateral stretch on your left side. Let the chin dip into your chest and take a deep breath into the left lung. And a big exhale. Good, again, breathing. And slowly walk the fingers back to center and keep walking them over to your right. Maybe reach a little longer with that right palm and take a deep inhale into the right lung, opening up all that fascia, nice side bend, lateral stretch on the right side. Again, relaxing the head and neck. And breathe. And then walk it back to center, reach forward. Good, look forward. And then slowly bring your hips all the way forward, coming into a upward facing dog shape, your little hybrid, looking over your right shoulder and then your left. Good, and then release your chest, your shoulders all the way down. Bring prayer hands together, slide them forward so the thumbs are crossed. Point your toes, forehead is down, and take a deep inhale. Big exhale. Good. Slide your fingers so they're right across from your shoulders. Bend the right knee and bring that right foot behind you. Enjoying a little spinal twist here. Turning your left cheek to the mat. Come back to center. Turn your right cheek to the mat. Bend your left knee and bring that foot behind you. Finding a little spinal twist here on our belly. Only going as far as what feels good for you. And then come back to center. Slide your palms right underneath the shoulders, elbows hugging in. Inhale, come up to a high cobra. Exhale, tuck your toes, bring your hips back. Good, squeeze your belly, lift your hips, coming right into a downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Beautiful. So it's an upside down V. The chest melts towards the thighs as the tailbone is up towards the sky. Pedal your feet, open up each calf, the backs of the legs. Press into the finger pads. of your fingers, taking pressure off of those wrists, and align your ears with your upper arms. This will allow you to take a deeper breath into your lungs. Good. And then on an inhale, come high up on your toes, round and curl the spine forward to a high plank. Rock and roll. Exhale, squeeze your belly, take it back to downward facing dog. So 2 more times like this. Inhale, forward to plank. Exhale, squeeze your belly, lift your hips, downward facing dog. 1 more. Inhale high up on the toes, round and curl the spine forward. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Beautiful. Breathe. And then slowly bend your knees, look towards the middle of your mat, and begin taking small steps up to the front of your mat. Bring your feet hip-width apart. Beautiful. Bend your knees a lot and ragdoll, round and curl the spine. 1 vertebra at a time, a little sway left and right on the way up. Navel is into the spine, round and curl all the way up. And then inhale, circle the arms all the way up, coming into Urdhva Hastasana. So prayer hands, cross your thumbs, slide your tailbone down, a slight bend in the knees. The head, the heart, the hips are in alignment. Big breath in. Exhale, open the arms wide, swan dive, forward fold to the earth. Inhale, halfway lift, come up to a flat back. Exhale, fingertips down, and step your left foot all the way back, coming into a runner's lunge, a low lunge, a little rock and roll front and back here. And then gently bring your knee down. Slide your shoulders away from your ears. Your heart is forward, feeling the shape for 1 breath. Beautiful. And then point your toes. Press down to rise up. And then inhale, sweep the arms all the way up. Grab opposite elbows. Tuck your tailbone. Open up the chest, the collarbones. And breathe. So just hanging loose here. Getting into those hip flexors on the left side. Beautiful. And then inhale, reach the hands up. Exhale, look down. Fingertips come down. Good. Tuck the back toes as you lift the hips, coming into Parsvottanasana, intense side stretch. So you can keep both knees bent here as much as you need. Drop the chin into the chest and breathe. Nice big hamstring opener here. Beautiful. And then pivot that left heel down, coming right into a triangle. Inhale, sweep the left fingertips all the way up, tuck the tailbone, squeeze your quadriceps, breathe, breathe, breathe. And then exhale, look down, plant your left palm, coming right into a twist. Inhale, sweep the right fingertips up towards the sky, a low lunge twist here. The heart is shining towards the right. Good, and then exhale, look down. Bring that right hand on the inside of your right foot, aligning the shoulder against the knee. And then inhale, twisting to the left. Left fingertips up towards the sky. Stay grounded through the feet. Breathe, breathe, breathe. And then exhale, look down. Plant your palm. So both palms are on the inside of that right foot. Step back, coming right into side plank, Vashisthasana. Good. Sweep that top arm over the ear. Tuck your tailbone. Feel that head, heart, hip alignment. And play here with whatever feels good for you. Find your balance. Squeeze your core. And then exhale. Look down, plant your palm, lower all the way down to your belly. Inhale, press it up to plank. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, press it up to high plank. Exhale, lower down. Last one. Inhale, press it up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Beautiful job. Breathe. Pedal your feet. Oscillate the neck, left and right. Anything that feels good for you. And then look towards the middle of your mat and take small steps back up to the front. Feet are hip width apart. Beautiful. And then inhale, ground down through the feet, round and curl one vertebra at a time. Squeeze your core on the way up. Round the shoulders up and back. Preparing for the other side. Beautiful. Inhale, circle sweep the arms all the way up, palms touch. Breathing here in Urdhva Hastasana. Beautiful. Inhale, grow tall, tilt back a little bit. And then exhale, open up the arms, swan dive, forward fold to the earth. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, halfway lift. Exhale, fingertips down, stepping that right foot all the way back to your low lunge. Gentle rock and roll, front and back. Gently bring that right knee down. Feel this shape for one breath. Shoulders away from the ears. Good, and then point the right toes, press down to rise up. Inhale. Bring your palms behind you, tuck the tailbone, and then sweep the arms all the way up for Anjayanasana. And then bend your elbows, catch opposite elbows here. And hang loose, everything open. Protect the lower back by tucking the tailbone. Beautiful. Opening up iliopsoas muscle on the right side. Inhale, reach the arms up, look down. Beautiful. Fingertips frame the foot. Squeeze your belly, lift your hips, coming right into Parsvottanasana. So if you need to step that back foot up one step, that's always okay. Keep the knees as bent as you need. And breathe here. Maybe a little sway in your spine might feel really good. Beautiful. And then pivot that right heel down. Inhale, sweep the right fingertips up, coming into Utthita Trikonasana. Triangle pose. Tailbone is tucked. Squeeze your quadriceps. Big breath in. Exhale, look down. Beautiful job. Come back into that low lunge. Plant your right palm down. Low lunge twist. Inhale, sweep the left fingertips up, spinning your heart to the left. And breathe. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Really grounded through that left foot. Big breath in. And then on the exhale, look down. Bring that left hand on the inside of your left foot as the right fingertips sweep up, coming into the twist. One more time. So that left shoulder aligns with the left knee. And again, wherever you are is exactly where you should be. Big breath in. Exhale, look down. Plant both palms on the inside of the left foot. Step your left foot back. Stack your feet. Coming into your side plank. So remember, the top arm can go onto the hip at first. Find your head, heart, hip alignment. And then reach that top arm up and over the ear. Tuck the tailbone. Feel one long line of energy here in your side plank. Squeeze your core. Big breath in. Exhale, come back to plank and lower all the way down to your belly. Inhale, press it up. Exhale, lower down, strong through the core. Inhale, press it up. Exhale, lower down. Last one. Inhale, press everything up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Beautiful job. Breathe. Come back to your breath. Let the chest melt towards the thighs. Big breath in. Big breath out. Feel really grounded here through the hands, through the feet. Relax your jaw. And breathe. And then slowly lower the knees down to your mat. Hips go back. Balasana. Child's pose, right where our journey began. Beautiful. And then bring your hands together. Find that prayer mudra. Connect your third eye to the earth. And come back to your breath. And breathing in. And breathing out. Letting go of any tension. And feeling the sensation, all the prana circulating throughout the body, and the shift in your energy within and around you from our yoga practice. Beautiful yogis. And then round and curl, sitting up on your heels if that feels okay for you, or come down to Sukhasana. A slight tilt in your chin. Close the eyes and bring your hands together at your heartbeat. May this peace go with you off the mat for you to have and share with everyone who crosses your path. Om Shanti, peace. Namaste.